Okay, YouTube got another $1 here. I think I might be able to get that Batman and plush buff. So we might give it another try, but I'm not positive it's gettable. I'm just thinking that if I get it in one of the arms, well, in his arm, then I might be able to snack. No. We're gonna... I don't know. What we should go for. Yeah, that's really stuffed, so... We're gonna just try for this. Oh, wow. Wow, didn't realize how short of a time you had on that. That's really short. But no, dang it. Dang it, you have such short time on that. You only get 15 seconds on that.
Oh, I can't have that.
I was so close though. I almost got this red teardrop head looking